Or a leopard slug or some shit. It's like one of the biggest slugs in the world that we get here in Oregon. Oh, look, he's got a face. Hey, buddy. No, you're not gonna like my finger. You gonna give it a sniff? Oh, he's gonna give it a sniff. Hi, little buddy. How are ya? Nice to meet ya. How are you doing? What's he doing to my finger? Aw, little dude, he died. I don't know how someone killed him, but yeah, I'm on my way right now. Yeah. I love you. I finally caught a toad, dude. Look at him, he's cool. He's actually pretty chill. What's up, Toady Toad? Ribbit, ribbit. Oh, motherfucker! I just got pissed on by a fucking toad. It's probably not good, huh? Dude, he's cool. But that sucked. Dude, chill out, Toady Toad. Oh, he's still fucking leaking water all over me, dude. It's weird. Maybe it's a defense mechanism. Don't smell or nothing. Okay, dude, calm down. You're gonna... Oh, he's making noises. You want to go right here into the tree? Look at him. Emptied his bowels on me, dude. He's still leaking some. Look at him, he's cool. Toad! He's cool, though. Kind of looks funny, but... Look at him. Toady Toad!